Brian Sensei here. Have you ever been interacting with software in the browser and you find that things just aren't working the way they're supposed to? Well, that might be because you need to update your browser. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Microsoft Edge browser and Google Chrome. Some other reasons to update the browser is for security and performance. Because hey, we all want to avoid malware and we want to browse smooth and fast. Let's check it out. Okay, let's start with Microsoft Edge first. I'm going to go down here and open up Microsoft Edge. Then I'm going to go over here to the top right and click on the More menu, the three dots. In here, we're going to go all the way down to Help and Feedback. And in here, we're going to click on About Microsoft Edge. I know, it's buried in here, isn't it? All right, once you do that, you're going to see here that it is checking for updates and it is currently up to date. Now, if there are updates, it will go ahead and download those and update the browser for you. All right, now let's look at this in Google Chrome. Same idea, we're going to go all the way to the top right of the browser. We're going to click on the More menu, the three dots. Then we're going to go all the way down to Help and About Google Chrome. Again, we're going to see checking for updates, and we can see that we are up to date. We even see the specific version that we have. All right, and that's all there is to it. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below, and I'll see you on the next one.